RAM means random access memory. The one in computers, in laptops. For those who are just joining us, kindly subscribe to our YouTube page. RAM means random access memory, like the name indicates, random. Do you know that there are actually types of RAM? There is the PC2 RAM, the PC3 RAM, and the PC4. Let's now talk, what does RAM actually do in a system? RAM, one is speed up your operation in your laptop, either in your computer, in your desktop, or anything that has to do with you computing. So it speed it up. It's multitasking. It actually does multitasking for you. If your RAM is slow, your processes on your computer will be slow. If your RAM is fast, your processes on your computer will be fast. So basically, the RAM also does multitasking for your computer operations or your computer processes. Another thing RAM does is speed up your operation or your computer application. And also does efficiency. So let's dive into the types of RAM that I talked about earlier. With me here is the PC2 RAM. Look at it, the PC2 RAM. The PC2 RAM. In the older generation, they were using PC2. In the PC2 RAM, the edges is towards there is a demarcation towards the edge. Now, in a PC3, look at the difference. The edge is towards the half of the RAM, while the PC4 is almost half of the RAM. So for a laptop is shorter. Is shorter. Then for a desktop is longer because the RAM slot is big. So we talked about RAM, which is now random access memory. So what RAM does is it speed up your operation. It multitasks your processes. So it does multitasking for you, and it also enhances your speed in your laptop or your desktop. So do well to subscribe to our YouTube page